Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a green screen overlay on CapCut PC. So of course you'll need a green screen picture and you're just going to scale it. Then I'm just going to add in this Polaroid PNG and just add it to the green screen. And you can also add in some stickers if you'd like to decorate the frame. But if it's not a frame that you want to make a green screen, you don't have to do this. So I'm just going to add in this donut one, for instance, and I'm just going to add it on here, and for instance this one, just add it on. Actually, I might find more stickers that correlates with each other. I forgot that I can just open it here. For instance, a birthday one, just add it on top of the frame. Make sure there isn't any green in it though, because it's going to be deleted once it becomes somebody's overlay. But that is pretty much it really. You can then just use chroma key. We have I think a tutorial on that, but if you can't find it, I'm sure there's other videos on it. But that is how you can create a green screen overlay on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!